Welcome to the Department of Consumer Protection's tutorial on how to renew your license, permit or registration online, with a user ID and password. This video can be paused at any time by clicking the pause icon on the bottom of the screen. To advance the video, click and drag the time bar located on the bottom of the screen. The time bar may disappear. Moving the mouse, or pressing any key will make the time bar return. This video will walk you through, step by step, how to renew your license, permit, or registration online with a user ID and password, using the e-license online system. We recommend use of a desktop or laptop computer to renew. Web pages may not display properly on a tablet or mobile device. For additional information on renewing an existing license, visit ct.gov/dcp, and click Renew a License or Permit. A new application should not be created to renew a license. All renewal notices are sent approximately 30 to 45 days before the expiration date of the license, permit, or registration. If you did not receive a notice with your user ID or Fast Track Renewal PIN, send an email to dcp.online@ct.gov with the following information: name, license, permit or registration type, license, permit or registration number, email address, and indicate which login you are requesting. A user ID and password for full access to your account and renewal. Or Fast Track Renewal PIN for access to renew only. Changes to your email or mailing address can be completed online under your account, or emailed to dcp.licenseservices@ct.gov. Before completing your online renewal, carefully read through your renewal notice for important information, such as registration type and number, expiration date, renewal fee, late fee, and what is needed for renewal. All renewals must be submitted and paid online. Please note that DCP cannot take credit cards or provide the user ID and password over the telephone. For this video, we will demonstrate an online renewal with your user ID and password. Renewals may also be done using Fast Track, which requires a PIN. First, go to the DCP Online Renewal website at www.elicense.ct.gov. From the e-license login page, enter your user ID and existing password. If you forgot your password, you can reset it by clicking on Forgot Password. To request a temporary password, email dcp.online@ct.gov. Avoid clicking the register link or creating a new account for renewal. Doing so will prevent you from accessing your renewal. Once you are logged in, you can click Renewal from either the drop-down menu, under Online Services, or from the Activities section on the bottom of the screen. This will bring you to the Renew a License page, which lists the licenses that are available for renewal. If there is no license, registration, or permit to renew online, it may be because the license is not available to renew yet. They are available approximately 45 days prior to expiration, and cannot be renewed early. You may have logged into the wrong account, or created a new account in error. Or, the license is listed as inactive, and not eligible for renewal. Locate the license, permit, or registration you wish to renew from the list under the license column. And then click the blue Start button. Read the instructions on the Start Instructions page. You can click Close and Save, in the bottom right corner of any page, to save your progress and exit. When you have completed reading the instructions, click Next. On the Address Update page, make any address changes by clicking on Edit Address, manually update the address and then click the Save and Close button. You can also change to an address already on file by selecting the drop-down, choosing a saved address, and clicking on the Update tab. Once you are done, click Next. The email confirmation page will open, and the email field will pre-fill with the email address associated to this license. Edit the email address if needed, or click Next if there are no edits needed. If the email address is updated, then it may require verification. The Before You Begin Renewal page will open. Be sure that you have read and understood all the registration requirements before you complete your online application. When you have completed reviewing the requirements, click Next. The following pages will ask questions specific to the type of license being renewed. Go through the pages, and click Next on each page to move forward to the next page. You may also click Previous, to return to a previous page. After you complete the pages, you will come to the attestation page. Answer the attestation statement. Please note, if you click No, your renewal application will not be completed. Next to the attestation date field, click the blue Today. This will autofill the current date into the attestation date field. Provide the name of the person completing the application in the blank field. And then click Next. The Renewal Reinstatement Application Confirmation page will open. Review the items on the page to verify that you have met the criteria for the renewal application. If you understand and agree with the terms, and wish to continue to complete your application, select Yes, and click Next. Next you will review your renewal application. Clicking the Previous button will allow you to return to completed pages to make edits. Clicking the Print Review button will give you the option to print, or save your application as a PDF for your records. The fees associated with your renewal are on the top of the page. Scroll through your renewal application to review. Once the review is complete, click the Add to Invoice button. On the invoice page, click Pay Invoice, and complete your payment information. A payment confirmation email will be sent. A separate renewal confirmation email will be sent once the renewal has been reviewed and approved. The status of your renewal can also be checked by searching for your credential in e-license. You have now completed a license, permit or registration renewal online, with a user ID and password. We hope this video was helpful. For questions regarding the licensing process, email dcp.licenseservices@ct.gov or visit portal.ct.gov/howto. Thank you for watching.